Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need some water. I need some water. I am just resting. I am just resting. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Let me check. Let me check. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. I don't understand. I don't understand. It is little cold today. It is little cold today. I am in hurry. I am in hurry. Do you like this movie? Do you like this movie? This is my favorite song. This is my favorite song. I need to make a phone call. I need to make a phone call. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. I need a break. I need a break. I am on my way. I am on my way. See you later. See you later. Let's go out. Let's go out. I am feeling good. I am feeling good. It is raining outside. It is raining outside. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. It is too hot today. It is too hot today. I like your shirt. I like your shirt. I am going home. I am going home. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it.